Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Today we can learn about drawing. So before we start, let's find the tools first. Here's the tools. A shower and a drum, and you are a drum. A drum is banging loud. Bang, 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 bang. And time for easy. Now, and a hat, a cap, and line, and garden, hose, curve, wave, flat drum, medium drum, big drum, hat, cap, and the next a pipe, rope, pipe, a carved pipe, wave, and there's wave, and I don't know that. What this? Skiing, snow. Let me draw the snow. Snowflakes. It's the snowflakes. And here's a measuring mug. Looks like skiing on a measuring mug. And chemical. Maybe looks like skiing on a chemical. Bubbles. Egg. Just egg. Egg. Crunchy. And here's and that's it. And here's a life jacket. This is a life jacket. Open life jacket. And there's buttons. And here's drums. Drum. There's a man. And there's a house. A house with a garden. A shed. It's a shed. And I'll add a flag to it. Nice. And what if I add some garden here? Let's add flowers. Is one flower. And a baby plant. Another baby plant. Just need to erase that. Done. Abacus. Oh, an ice cream cone. Looks like the shed is eating ice cream. Funny. The shed has internet from the satellite. I didn't see a satellite. The shed has got an idea. The shed is working with plants. And the shed is charging up a plate from the satellites and a cap. Looks like the shed is taking shelter from the cap. Traffic lights. A traffic light. Looks like the shed is going to cross the road, and the traffic light is red. I can't see the desk of chemical. Looks like the shed on the light on the chemical is the shed is pouring chemical in the traffic light. Bash! 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 Best. Oh, a curve. What? Curve? A curve, a curve, a curve. How about this? Looks like the shed on the light on the chemical is wearing a jacket. And he has a mustache. Ha! That looks funny. And a beard. And the shed on the light on the chemical is growing a mustache and a beard. And the shed on the light on the chemical and on the mustache is digging a hole. Here's the hole. And a egg. Looks like the shed on the light on the chemical on the spade on the mustache has laid an egg. Looks like the shed on the light on the chemical on the spades on the mustache is playing with a wheel. Looks like the shed on the light on the chemical on the spade on the mustache is drinking tea. I love tea. And looks like the shed on the light on the chemical on the mustache is eating fish. A fried fish. and looks like the shed on the light on the chemical on the mustache on the spade is eating candy. A square candy. I love candy. I want candy. Looks like the shed on the light on the chemical on the spade on the mustache is going to office wearing a tie. It's finished for today. See you again next time. Bye bye. Tata. Assalamualaikum. If you like my channel, subscribe the video and don't forget to put the bell button. Bye bye. Tata. Assalamualaikum.